Hello everyone and welcome back to my beauty space. It's me, Lara Omar, and a special little hello from Bunny. He wants to run free. Okay, bye. One of the most popular, actually the most popular video on my channel is my video on the skincare benefits of using tea tree oil. Currently, that is the video on my channel with the most views. Currently, it's sitting at 42,000 views, which is the most viewed video on my channel. So thank you all so much for getting me to that point. I have my laptop sitting here right in front of me, and I've had a lot of people asking me questions on that tea tree oil video that I want to answer today, and also give you guys a little bit more information on the most popular product on my channel, which is tea tree oil. Before we jump into this video, I want you guys to subscribe down below and hit that button, and I want you to also hit that like button as well. Please become a part of my wonderful, beautiful channel, and I'll be so happy to see you guys interacting and commenting on my videos as well. All right, without any further ado, let's jump into this video. It's so crazy because looking back on this video, I look so different. Like, my face looks different, my hair is different, my room is different. I filmed this video in April 23rd, 2020. That's over a year ago. Wow. So one question that I got was, is it okay to use this tea tree oil along with other tea tree oil products like a tea tree oil cleanser, whatever? Yes, that is okay. If you want to use a tea tree oil with other tea tree products like a face wash or even like a moisturizer that has tea tree in it, that is perfectly okay. In fact, it would be really good for your skin actually to be using products that are cohesive and work together and that can build on top of each other very nicely. One person was confused about why I should be using tea tree oil on my hands and not on a cotton round. And to reiterate from what I said in the first video, I will link that down below for you guys to check out as well. Let me show you guys how I use it on my hands actually. The reason why I use it on my fingertips is because there is no product getting soaked in through a cotton round. The cotton round will actually steal a lot of the product and a lot of the oil, and you won't be applying as much as you think you are on your face. So the way I apply it is I take it on my hands and I apply it to, as you can see right here, any spots that I have acne scars or any place that I have a forming blemish, I would say. So I always take some on my nose because it really does help prevent oiliness. I have oily skin, which means my skin gets oily very quickly, very easily, very naturally. If you have dry skin, then tea tree oil is actually the opposite, and it can be very moisturizing because of all the nutrients and the vitamins that it has, and it's really good at bringing that moisture to your dry skin. However, for my oily skin, it's actually amazing because it adds that extra oil layer to my skin, but because it is more drying on me, it makes me less oily. So the moisturizing part of it makes me less oily because my skin doesn't have to overcompensate and produce as much oil. One person asked, is it okay if I use tea tree oil if I have sensitive skin? The answer to that is yes. Tea tree oil is great for all skin types, but one thing that I will say is if you have never tried this before and you have sensitive skin and you're a little bit worried if your skin is going to react in a negative way, I have a tip just for you. What you're going to do is you're going to apply a little bit on your fingers, and you're not going to apply it straight on your face. You're going to apply it here on your neck or here on the outside perimeter of your face. So whenever you do it right here and you apply it here or here, you let it sit for about a few minutes or so. If your skin gets red, patchy, itchy, uncomfortable, any type of negative visible reaction that you see or feel, that is a sign that your skin is too sensitive for tea tree oil. Because you only did a spot test on one tiny area of your face or one tiny area of your neck, you will be saving yourself from a lot of pain and discomfort instead of using it all over your face because you didn't, give it a chance to try it out on your skin. One person was worried if tea tree oil is meant to be feeling kind of minty on your skin, and the answer is yes. It does feel very refreshing and minty if you do call it that. That is completely normal. It's just because tea tree oil is so potent and such a thick oil, not thick in the sense that it's like thick consistency, but thick as in it is jam-packed with tea tree in it, which means, yeah, it's a very concentrated oil, so it will feel very refreshing whenever you do apply it to your skin. Someone said that they have acne scars on their cheeks, but they feel like their stress is causing the blemish to stay a lot more. They're asking if stress does lead to having more acne. I will say yes, stress, a poor diet, a poor sleep schedule, and not drinking enough water will definitely, absolutely 100% ruin your skin. That's why I always say how important it is on my channel to truly eat clean, have a good diet, have a good sleep schedule, and have a good lifestyle overall. So that way you're not, putting on too much makeup to cover up the acne, which makes the acne worse. So if you're someone who does suffer from stress or anxiety and you are seeing that manifestation of that tension as acne on your face. My tip for you is just use some tea tree oil on it and you will see a difference. Tea tree oil sucks the life right out of the acne, right out of the pimple, out of the blemish, out of anything. You can use this on your face, on your shoulders, on your chest, on your arms, like wherever you have acne, anywhere on your body, you can use this and you can be guaranteed to see a visible difference. One person asked, does it work for pigmentation? And I will say yes, because pigmentation could be caused by dark spots and acne scars, which can make your skin having an uneven pigmentation and uneven skin. One person asked if it really does work for acne and dark spots, and the answer is yes, it absolutely does. Tea tree oil is literally magic. I swear, anytime I have any type of acne or pimple on my face, it just won't go away. I literally will lather tea tree oil on my face before bed and in the morning after I wash my face. Within about 24 to 48 hours, it is visibly reduced, less red, it is smaller, it does not have any elevation, and watch in like the next couple of days, this little scar and this little pimple is gonna be gone. Someone asked, when is the best time to use tea tree oil, in the morning or the evening? My answer to you, you can use it both times, in the morning and in the evening. The reason why I say that is because it is an oil and it's very, very lightweight. So if you want to use tea tree oil in the morning, that is perfectly okay and safe to do so. And is also perfectly safe and okay to use it at nighttime. You can use it both times during the day and it won't negatively affect your skin. But like I said, make sure you do the patch test because you don't want to give your skin a negative reaction. Always start little by little, using it one time a day for a couple days, maybe even a couple weeks if you have sensitive skin. And then slowly you can begin to gradually start using it twice a day, and then your skin won't have any negative reaction and your skin will definitely be using this very, very well to get rid of your acne. Someone said, is it okay to use every day? And the answer is yes, I do use this every single day. However, I will give my skin a break from using the same product every single day because I want it to work, right? So I'll alternate between like a rosehip oil, vitamin C cream, vitamin C oil. I will use a bunch of different skincare products and alternate them in my routine so that way my skin is constantly not getting used to the same product and it working less. One thing I will say about tea tree oil drying your skin out like crazy is that one, either you have really dry skin and it's just not working for you, or two, you're applying too much. Only apply it to the areas where you have dark spots, uneven skin tone, or acne. That is the only places on your face that you need this tea tree oil. If it is drying out your skin, you might be using it too often. Go down to using it maybe once every couple of days or maybe once a day. It all depends on your specific skin, your skin type, and your skincare routine. I can't answer that question for you. You have to kind of do the research yourself and figure out what it is you're doing to make it be super drying for you. Someone asked if you can use this on the hair. Absolutely, you can use it on the hair. It makes your hair super, super shiny. It makes it grow really well and it makes your hair super healthy because you're applying amazing nutrients to your hair. Actually, I'm about to use some right now. I'm using the teeniest, tiniest, but you couldn't even see it. And I'm just going to use it in my roots and then use it all over the ends of my hair. And look at how shiny and smooth my hair looks now. That's what tea tree oil is gonna do to your hair, everyone. Make it beautiful and shiny and silky smooth. Someone asked, does tea tree oil work on dry skin? The answer is yes, it works on all skin types, even sensitive skin. Like I said, you just have to make sure that your skin is capable of handling tea tree oil before you can start to use it every day. One person asked, how many times can I use tea tree oil on my face? As much as your skin allows and as much as your skin can handle. For me, I started off using this maybe like once a day, every couple of days. So for me, my skin really couldn't handle it, but after I started using it more regularly, now I'm up to the point where I can use it twice a day and it will not irritate my skin at all. I have normal oily combination skin, so for me it works perfectly fine. But if you have sensitive skin, be careful. Someone asked, am I supposed to cleanse and wash my skin first and then use the oil? The answer is yes. Make sure you have a completely clean base, stripped of all dirt, oil, grime, everything. Make sure you wash your face very, very well first, and then you can apply it to any problem areas you have on your skin. Someone said, do you use 100% pure tea tree oil or essential tea tree oil? I use 100% pure tea tree oil. This is made for the skin or hair, 100% pure Australian. I will link this down below if I can find it. If not, I'll link a couple alternatives. One person asked, what happens if you don't moisturize after you use tea tree oil? Nothing. I just put it on right now and nothing's really happening. But if you're doing your morning skincare routine, then I would definitely wash my face, put on a couple drops of this on certain problem areas I have, and then go in with my moisturizer. Someone asked, do I need to dilute tea tree oil before I put it on my face? Honestly, the answer is to each your own. If you feel like you need to dilute it because it's a little bit too harsh, absolutely go ahead and dilute it with coconut oil, with water, with any type of cream or moisturizer you have. For me, I'm able to handle putting it straight on my skin and no problems occur at all. One person asked how long did it take for me to use before my scars went away. It only took a couple days. Honestly, for some extreme cases, it could only take me 24 hours and I will see a visible difference in my skin, and I will see that one day it's super huge and ugly and red. The next day it's almost gone and it's just becoming dead skin. Honestly, tea tree oil is amazing. This is truly magic in a bottle, and I highly recommend it to everyone with all skin types, all skin concerns, especially acne and dark spots. It will work beautifully for you. Just follow my tips and watch your skin be beautiful. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to like and subscribe down below. Leave me a comment if I answered your question, or if you have any more questions. I'll be browsing the comment section to answer all of your questions. And until next time, I don't have anything left to say. I love you so much. Thank you so much for supporting me and watching this video, and I'll see you super soon. Bye, guys.